Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here, and we are in part 3 of the twin coordination drills. Each week we have been doing 3 twin drills that are going to amplify your coordination, your balance, and your strength with these beautiful matching circles that are not always that easy to flow with, particularly if you have been one side dominant for most of your life and you have been one hooping, which is also a beautiful expression, but it can definitely and it will definitely, this I know to be the truth, it will definitely support your twin flow if you are building strength and coordination through these types of drills. Now, if you do want to learn how to twin flow, that is gracefully, beautifully, excitedly, wonderfully, flow and transition twin tricks together with movement and expression from your body and your hoops, then go to learn.hooplovers.tv. I'm going to leave the links below. There's a 21-day twin flow experience with me and you together, and there's also twin flow classes, and I highly recommend them. If you want an extra challenge, there's a twin on body challenge. Woo! Yes, super strength. Okay. All right, so if you have missed any of the other coordinations, go down, I was going to say go downstairs, go down below, check the links there, and you can be working on any of these coordinations for like 30 seconds, a minute, whatever works for you. Okay, let's get cracking. All that you need are 2 hoops that are the same size and weight. That's it. So grab them and let's get started. This first one it's like an extension. So what's going to happen is we're going to have the hoops into this vesica shape. That's where we have the fishy cusp in the middle, and then we have the 2 hoops on the outside. We're going to refer back to this shape. So we have our wrists forward and we reach up to the sky. We bring the shapes, that vesica shape back together. We unfold and we're back to where we started. So this can be a really great warm-up as well for your wrists and the extension of your arms, your shoulders. So wrists forward, thumbs up and together. As we fold forward, we let the top of the hoops drop down, and then we open up the wrists again. So up to the sky, down to the earth. Up to the sky. If you have fans or ceiling lights, then please be careful. Up to the sky, down to the earth. This is opening up the channels through the fronts of the arms. You can feel into your shoulder blades as well. Just watching your hoops. They make this beautiful, soothing sound as they move through time and space with you. Just a few more times. Beautiful. Okay, epic. Amazing. You can do that for as long as you like, shaking out through the wrists, shaking out through the arms, the hands. Okay, our next one, extension twisters. We're going to do one side and then the other. And an extension twister is when we take the hoop up. You might call this a circle or a Z-spin. There's a few different names for them around the planet. But you're going to take the hoop up, twist it until your thumb goes down, and then down towards the floor. Your wrist will be towards your body. So you take it up to the sky, twist, 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 down. Up to the sky, twist, 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 down. So what you want to do is whatever hoop is in front, twist and then bring it behind. And then whatever hoop is in front, twist and then bring it behind. So we twist and drop, twist and drop, twist and drop, twist and drop, twist and drop. Beautiful. A few more times here. Nice and strong, bending through the elbow if that feels like it supports your shoulder a little better. Amazing. Cool. Okay, now let's move into the third coordination, which is quite similar to this, and we're going to do it together. So we're going to take both up and both out and down. Both up and both out and down. So the hoops will clash if your twist is too soon. So if you're twisting kind of above your head, then the hoops may clash together. But if you make sure that your hoops go out a little bit further and then twist, you can take them down. So we cross over, up to the sky. The hoops come away from each other, twist and down. Cross, twist and down. Cross, twist and down. Cross, twist and down. Trying that a few more times. feeling the strength that it's building on the outer shoulders, the wrists, bringing in the breath and the stance. Amazing. Okay, beautiful. There you have another 3 coordination stations that you can do for your own amount of time, maybe 30 seconds, maybe a minute, to build strength, balance, and coordination with 2 hoops so that when you come to flow with me, yourself, with 2 hoops, then you have that there ready for you. Big hoop love from me to you. Mwah.